Falcons. Skyhawks now with the basketball. Number 13, Jones with the follow for the Huguenot Falcons. And it's number 2, Jedediah Holtz, getting the Skyhawks on the board in fine style with a nice three-pointer. Violation is called against the Huguenot Falcons. It's going to be Skyhawk basketball. Ball now in the hands of number 12, Jacoby Bryant of the Skyhawks. Timeout is taken by the Huguenot Falcons. 5:14 left in the first quarter of play. 4 Falcons, 3 Skyhawks. Nice bucket by Evan Jones of the Falcons. Money time, number 10, Jaden Bibby Andrews of the Skyhawks. But good, number 4, Amari Wingate of the Falcons. Number 2, Holtz with a three-pointer and a chance to make it 4. Foul was called on number 12, Jelani Woodson of the Falcons. Number 3, Jules Marshall. Number 4, Amir Spates into the ballgame for the Skyhawks. Skyhawks with the basketball. violation is called against the Skyhawks as number 10, Bigelow, number 11, Code, check into the ball game for the Huguenot Falcons. Along with number 10, Aiden Billy Andrews for the Skyhawks. Ball into the hands of Brown. Foul is called on number 13, Eben Jones of the Falcons, as number 30, McNeely, back out onto the court for the Skyhawks. Foul is called on number 10, Billy Andrews of the Skyhawks. Number 4, Amari Wingate, back into the ball game for the Huguenot Falcons. Number 12, Wilson, nice time for the basket for the Falcons. Little kerfuffle there over who had control of the basketball. Possession arrow in favor of the home team Skyhawks. Another little discussion over possession of the basketball. This time arrow in favor of the Huguenot Falcons. Number 5, Jamal G back into the ball game for the Skyhawks, along with number 13, Eben Jones of the Huguenot Falcons. Number 13, Jones, with the bucket for the Falcons and a chance to add one. Foul is called on number 10, Billy Andrews, number 20, Jameer Williams, checking in for the Skyhawks. Number 4, Amir Spapes, launching from out near Spin Court. And on the visitors, Pretty Boy Code of a 3-pointer for the Huguenot Falcons.
Hey, Pretty Boy, he's been a pretty boy on the court.
Foul is called on number 11, P.B. Cove of the Huguenot Falcons. Number 1, Gaskins, back out onto the court for the Skyhawks. Skyhawks with the basketball with 25 ticks. left in the first quarter. Number 12, Woodson for the Falcons. Into the first quarter of play, 17 Falcons, 12 Skyhawks. A lot of basketball left to play. Huguenot Falcon cheerleaders are up in the house tonight. Thank you, ladies, for coming out and what you do for your team. Thank you. Number 4, Spates, three-pointer for the Skyhawks, and a nice assist by Isaiah Gaskins, number 1. Number 11, P.B. Code, trying to for the Falcons. Number 4, Vintage. Number 4, Spates, three-pointer. Ball goes out of bounds, going to belong to the Skyhawks now. Number 2, Holtz. Number 12, Bryant, back out onto the court for the LC Bird Skyhawks. Of the Falcons, Skyhawks now with the basketball. Foul is called on number 20, Williams of the Skyhawks. Number 21, Makai Brown, out of the court. Number 10, Jace Bigelow, out for the Huguenot Falcons. Number 30, McNeely, back on the court for the Skyhawks. Second timeout is taken by the Skyhawks. Foul is called on number 10, Eli Carrington of the Huguenot Falcons. Skyhawks still have possession of the basketball. It's a block party sponsored by number 21, Makai Miles.
Took the ball and ain't even do nothing with it.
Forward is the ball against the Falcons, going to be Skyhawk basketball. Number 11, Keith Joe checking back in for the Falcons. Along with number 10, Jake Billy Andrews for the Skyhawks. for the Skyhawks. And it's number 4, Wingate, with a 3-point for the Falcons. Foul's call on number 4, Wingate. On the line for the Skyhawks is number 4, Amir Spate. And it's Woodson back into the ball game for the Falcons. And number 2, Holtz for the Skyhawks.
Why would I want to go get you some chips? I just ate.
Possession arrow.
Because you want me to pay for your stuff. No. You got money. You got funds. So you can be on this job, you got all this shit on her.
Yo, I got a job.
No. I still got money though, but I don't got a job.
You can't buy a bag of chips.
You can't. Fuck, you want to rap me up that shit? Why you come to a game? How you get your ticket here? Oh well, you should have your chips for free.
Number 3,
What?
Prince.
No,
With a nice
I'm not going to get you. I'm not getting nothing. It's just why you want to eat a glizzy. Like, you should have ate before you came. Just go back and chill. Shut the fuck up.
I don't care, bro.
Alright, that's why you hungry now.
I ain't hungry no more.
Oh, then you hungry. Alright, glizzy. Alright, glizzy. Oh my god.
No, you can turn it on.
No, I cannot. Can you look like turn all the laws
I'm
in?
talking about Apple.
No, they said they keep on posting on YouTube. I swear to God. Oh my god.
Come on, like, what time is it?
What?
Turn the sound off.
That kid! He had the sound. He like his sound good. This is JD.
Foul is called on number 10, Jaden Bibby Andrews of the Skyhawks. 2.3 seconds left in the first half. Huguenot basketball.